Welcome. Another day, we back at the Fresh Start building. And today, we're going to keep it nice and clean. It's just me and Zay here today. But mainly what we got to do is clean these walls that we recently removed, the sinks and all that on. Try to clean up most of these toilets or bathrooms where toilets is finna be. Pull up some of the tile if we can, but mainly today a cleanup day, a prep day, and we're gonna probably touch up a lot of the areas with the paint after we clean the walls. So yeah, let me give y'all a quick little recap of what we finna do, and we're gonna get to it. This is the before. This is the great touch-up paint for buildings 1 and 3. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean this wall up. Need to go grab that lime green or that boat green touch-up paint. Not much need to be done in here. They already to it in here, so yeah, we're trying to get this rolling so we can move on and show y'all this progress. I'll let y'all. So now we in building 2, future salon, waxing, body sculpting, and all of that. So what we need to do here, the floors are staying, but we're gonna try to clean these floors up so we can put the toilet down. We're gonna clean this and touch up paint that. And clean these floors up a little bit. Yeah, I thought I saw some water, but clean up, touch up, and this will be it for building 2, if I ain't mistaken. All right. So here we have bathroom 1 in suite 3. We're gonna go ahead, get this right here off. That holds up the sink. Snatch that off, clean and paint this wall so it can, make sure we ain't painting nothing dirty and all of that. And then we're gonna clean up around this area, and hopefully tomorrow we can snatch up the rest of this tile. We're gonna clean it up just in case, so it'll be easy for us to work with. In here, this is gonna be a storage room, so we don't really have to do too much in here. Recap: he did hang the tankless water heater, but we probably ain't gonna do much in here. Well, we might clean the wall and touch that up, but we might wait till he pull the toilet out, but you get the point. So this is the recap of building 3, the future embroidery shop / clothing shop / my office. And yeah, we'll probably clean up these floors, get all that prepped and ready. Just a quick update. Well, by quick, I mean hours later. But may not look it. This whole floor is explaining why the fans is trying to dry out the last little bit of this water. But it ain't gonna look like much. You just know it's been degreased. Y'all may not understand it, but for those who do, I appreciate you. Also, we're gonna touch up thing. Y'all down here. So not that touch up paint in here. My dude still let it over here. Second. Overall, might recap, come back to this one. Forgot we didn't do this one all the way. Fresh starts coming soon. See what all we got left to do over here. think I mentioned something about some floors being clean, but oh yeah, never mind. I remember what I said. But we gotta finish this lime green. I'm finna come in here with the lime green paint, but overall we touched up a lot of the areas that was missing. Some touching up. Just gotta get the top of that gray. We kind of ran low on the gray, so we're gonna touch this up once we get this sinks out. We still got a little bit of gray, but overall, we got most of this stuff touched up in here. The main thing was this wall in here, so we can get the sink installed. This is the floor. We need to hit it with the torch, but I did get it swept up for them. It's just back up there. It is swept up for them. But yeah, so I'm finna go steal a paintbrush and try to get this trimming done. And I think that's all the trimming. Yeah, so overall, painting at about 95% complete. And yeah, we late night with it. But when I tell y'all, I am excited. Matter of fact, let me turn. Listen, man. When I tell y'all I'm excited, those who know me know how I'm excited. But I'm excited. Shout out C-Hubs, MBK. We mentoring and building on knowledge. Wait till y'all see the kids programs that we got coming up. Y'all gonna be surprised, cause I got some things where if I get the right amount of funding and the right people behind me, when I'm finna tell y'all, like, we can create that old school May Park. And only few of y'all know. I'm gonna give y'all Augusta Focus. Y'all know a lot about how we grew up and how everybody that's in our circle, whether it was May Park, Augusta Focus, y'all know how we came. The same people from May Park that know me, they already knew. We still out here mentoring and building. Shout out to Coach Charles, Coach Utley, Coach Gary, Coach Twin, Coach Kenny Eberhardt. Who else? I know I'm missing some coaches. Bo. Shout out to Bo, Sammy D, Big Sammy D, Stevenson, Uncle Mike Stevenson, like my pops. Man, shout out to everybody who really supported that May Park movement and really got a lot of kids off the streets, because y'all really built our whole team. Everybody that we with right now, y'all really built that. So whether we grew up in Underwood, at Josie, at Laney, Cross Creek, Glen Hills, we brought a lot of kids together. And to this day, we know we could call some of them and they got our back. So I just want to tell y'all from the kindness of my heart, me and those who came in them shoes, we love y'all. And to the parents that didn't have to do it and got up every morning and trained and mentored these kids and these young men, we really, truly appreciate y'all. I love y'all. More updates coming. Podcast coming too, where y'all can really see some of the people that came from where I came from and see what we working on now. So I got a lot of people from day one who I've been supporting. It's real out here. Got something in store for y'all. But look, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all from the bottom of my heart. We're going to keep grinding. We're going to keep motivating. We're going to keep inspiring. And yeah, fresh start comes soon.